Hello everyone, it's Carola with Yewno. Yewno Discover is a great tool for doing literary research. It quickly shows you the context of your search and expands your understanding of the topic. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take the 1957 book Uncle Tom's Cabin, and the assignment is to explore race in the United States in the 19th century. So we can type in Uncle Tom's Cabin or just Uncle Tom's. We get our result list here. We click on the concept we like, and it immediately opens up a knowledge graph for us. And when we look at that, we see all sorts of different topics to do with Uncle Tom's Cabin. Origins of the American Civil War, anti-Tom literature, minstrel show blackface. If you want to see more, just take your slider bar down, and it shows you more concepts. If we want to do a little bit of literature search, we can click on documents right here, and we can see what sort of publications have published articles to do with this, when were they published. It all gives you context. So this allows you to do a little bit of literature search. We can go back to the knowledge map, and then we can expand our search. Let's say we want to also put in African American history. And press enter. And now our knowledge map is expanded, and it displays both Uncle Tom's Cabin and African American history. So there's all sorts of new topics we can explore, like the Jim Crow laws or the Emancipation Proclamation. If we want to find searches that have to do with both these terms, we'll find the string that connects these two right here and click on that. And now we will have documents that deal with both African American history and Uncle Tom's Cabin. We select those, and we can see that those are quite opposite viewpoints. And when we look at the article itself, what we're looking at is a snippet, which is that portion of a document that is the most relevant to the search that we're doing. And you can find the full text by clicking here or see what they have at your own library. And if you want to do a different search, just go back to the knowledge map. You can just click on search, and now you have the option of deleting any of these terms or clearing the knowledge map to start a new search. There's always a help center available, and if you want to learn more about saving searches and exporting search results, look for my video on that. Thanks so much.